I'd like to share with you BTS's fourth muster, Happily Ever After. Okay, so this is a DVD set. Like the little window with the boys there, all in their colorful clothes. And this has a magnetic clasp thing. That makes it nice when it sticks like that. You don't have to worry about it coming open. There we go. This is where the DVDs are. Come back to the other item here in a minute. DVDs upside down. I've watched the first disc and I love it. Happily Ever After. Yeah, there's a lot of good songs on here on the first disc. I haven't got a chance to watch the second or third disc yet. So there's a song that they perform by a group that originally started the K-pop genre going. And I don't know if I pronounced the name of the group and the artist. I think it's KPOP and the boys, but it could be pronounced differently, and so I apologize if I didn't get his name right. But they performed on shows that just became popular here in the United States, like during the millennium, the 2000s. But in the 90s, those shows were already popular in South Korea, and so they already had their like idol, like American Idol shows. It's not American Idol, but their versions of it, and that was in 1993. So they were like before that stuff was going on, before it even became popular in America to do those kind of singing contests and stuff. So KPOP and the boy, this is the point I'm trying to get to, and the boys, anyways, his group, they did a song called You Must Come Back Home or something like that, and sounds great, the original. You can look it up on YouTube. But my favorite version of that song by that group is BTS's version of You Must Come Home, and it sounds amazing. Their live performance, it's on the first disc. I love it. It's amazing. I love their performance, their dance moves. You know, BTS are incredible dancers, incredible singers, and hip-hop artists. I really enjoy them a lot. I love the pop and their hip-hop style, and also like it. They've also done like a remix of DNA, and it's a heavy metal 80s metal rock out song called LA Pedal Mix or something like that. And it sounds amazing. It sounds like the classic guitar metal shred riffs and stuff. So I enjoy that remix. It's on Love Yourself Answer edition of that set, because there's like Love Yourself Her, Love Yourself Tear. It's on Love Yourself Answer. So let me get the little book out so we can take a look at it. We've looked at these, so move them up over here. And this is the little photo booklet. And right here, they're in the army bomb. If you don't know anything about K-pop, each group has their own light sticks, unique to their group. And BTS has what they call the army bomb. And that's the fans out there with theirs, holding their light sticks right there, their army bombs right there. So it's really interactive, and it's quite different than going to a, you know, an American concert. You know, just traditional concerts. Different. It's very different than K-pop. Concerts are really different. They have a whole way of interacting with their fans, the group, and the fans with the artists, with their idols. That's where they come out of the army bomb. So these are pictures from the show. Jimin looks so much like a baby. As I say, baby Machi. Really does look like a little baby. There's V. Jungkook. There is a fan holding their light stick, the army bomb light stick. Yep, they dress up in onesies. You gotta see it. It's adorable. I can't believe it. Can't believe Jungkook dressed up as a carrot. Crackhead culture. That's for sure. Crackhead culture. Aw, J-Hope's a bunny. And RM is a shark. Look at Jimin's face. Because he's a alligator. Like, watch out for me. Mic drop. That's an awesome song by BTS. Now this is where they're like getting all wicked here. This is the wicked section. Oh yeah, that's the performance of You Must Come Home. They rock that song. I love it. I love their version of it. The original's good too, but they're better. Their version's even better. They talk a lot, so it's kind of like a interactive show or something. Really cute. The theme of this was like happily ever after, so they're in like all the pastel colors. There's like memory clouds and whatnot in there. Here they are. Got a postcard right here. It looks just like the front of the box. And there you go, happily ever after, BTS fourth muster. And here's the card. Try to get it to focus. There we go. Now this is a pretty little thick picture book. They always give you your money's worth when you're buying physical products. Behind the scenes or behind the stage. Them getting prepared and prepped to go on stage. It's like rehearsals there. Credits. And that's the end. Okay, thanks for checking out my unboxing here of Happily Ever After. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.